Assalamu alaikum friend, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing NFT gameplays which name is hunterfarm.store. So if you want to visit this site, I also give the link of this site in my video description. You just click on the link, you will go to my video description and you just click on the link, you will find out the this page. This is the home page of the hunterfarm.store. So today I'm going to show you how you can generate a huge profit by playing their games and by buying their NFT tokens. So we also discuss their roadmaps, their tokenomics, and we also discuss how we can register ourselves on their site and how many times we should hold their tokens to create a huge profit. So before starting my video, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my videos first, and see my complete video without skipping, because today this is very interesting project, and we also discuss how we can play. We also discuss their white paper and how we can register and how we can create a huge profit in the future. So first of all, I give you a little introduction. What is Hunter Farm NFT? Hunter Farm NFT is a first real farm on the mainnet Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain is BSC BP20. So after this, we also discuss about their other introduction, like to how we can participate in their gaming project. To participate in the hunter farm, we must have at least 1500 HEM tokens or items. You can get possession using a variety of methods, including buying on the NFT market or buying from other players. So in the Hunter Farm NFT store, you can buy characters that recreate an actual farm. Each character will produce a certain amount of meat, and you can sell the meat for HEM tokens. And to create a stable market, 10% of all the HEM tokens used to purchase the characters in the Hunter Farm store will be burned every month. So this is a little story about the hunter farm. What is hunter farm, and what is the story of hunter farm? So you can study it yourself. So little bit I study little bit. Although I have a lot of the strong memories as a kid growing up at the farm, I have a whole separate group of thoughts as a parent. We have lived in the central New York. This is a story about the hunter farm NFT. Ever since we have had children, and we have also always gone to Henryville for the majority of our vacations time, just as our parent had always brought us there from New York and New Jersey. We know on the house that was my parents. I have always felt that this was a great place to come and relax, and I shared all of the things I had and my younger memories with my kids. So other remaining story, you can all you will be able to, you can study it yourself. So after this, we discuss how we can play. So hunter farm NFT marketplace offer you to the opportunity to create, as well as or as we call it, mint, sell, buy, auction, collection, trade, exhibit, and more, and get hold of HEM token as soon as possible, because in the near future the price of the HEM token will be higher than in the pre-sale. So here you can also see the circle of their characters. You can buy your characters, and character produce the meat, and by selling the meat you will be able to buy the NFT marketplace, and from NFT marketplace you can buy HEM token, and user then use HEM token to buy the characters. This is the life circle of the NFT this game plays. So after this, we discuss about their characters with beautiful graphics and attractive storyline and an extremely rich character and the equipment system. User will be really fascinated by the challenge in the hunter farm. First test version with 6 popular animals. Follow us so you don't miss out on this amazing project. So you can also see their tokenomics, their name, their symbol, their total supply and decimal is mentioned here. Their pre-sale, they have a 10% for their pre-sale, 2% for their airdrop, 30% for play to earn, and 10% for burn, and 5% for team, 20% for liquidity, and 10% for system development fund, and 5% for marketing, and 10% risk for risk avoidance fund. So after this, you can also see their roadmaps. They have different phases and they have different plans in their different phases. So their phase one have plans like graphic, game design, airdrop and bounty campaign, and release website, launch social channels, marketing to spread awareness, and test beta game version, pre-sale ham token directly on Hunter Farm, public launch on the PancakeSwap, and open official game version 1, and public launch on NFT marketplace. And in phase 2, we can see that they have different plans from the phase 1. They include the update website version 2, initial CEX listening, test data beta game version 2, and open official game version 2, and requirement Dragon Slayer team and partnership with the famous game studio. Update website version 3 is include their phase 2. And in phase 3, you can also see that they have different plans like test beta game version 3, and push marketing and campaign, and open official game version 3, and release D app mobile game in iOS and Android. So after this, you can see that they have also a frequently asked question. Frequently asked question means those questions that if you have interest, or if you want to invest in their site, you just go and you will find out the answer of these questions, because these are the questions that should be in every mind of their holder. So these are the questions that you should go and get the answer by studying the frequently asked question and answer about the project. So first question is why name the token ham, another is where can we buy ham tokens, and what is the ham token used for, and are ham tokens scarce, and where can I store ham tokens, and how do I deposit ham tokens into the NFT store, and how to withdraw ham tokens from my wallet. So these are the questions about the ham token. You just go and study it. After this, we discuss about their registration, how we can register ourselves, and how we can create our own NFT tokens. So if you want to if you want to register yourself, you just click on the launch app. When you click on the launch app, you will find out you find this page. This is the registration page. If you want to register yourself, if you want to log in, just click on it, and this is the login page. I registered myself already. So I tell you how you can register yourself. Just click on the register and get a bonus, and you will find out the registration page. Here you should write your username, your email, and your password, and confirm the password. After confirming the password, you should fill this captcha. This is the captcha to clear that you are not a bot. And after filling the captcha, you should click on the register. When you click on the register, you will find out the login page. So here you need to write your email and password that you mentioned on the registration page. So after mention this, you just click on the login here. When you click on the login, you will be entered in the gaming game, and you will just find out your account statistics. Here you can see your username, your email, and your date that you register yourself. And you can also see your purchase balance here, that I already purchased HEM 3600 HEM tokens in my account. So this is my account. Here you can see your daily profit, your purchase, your balance. And if you want to deposit, you just click on the deposit here. You will find out their deposit page. This is deposit page. This is so plus payment and transfer of silver to the balance is made automatically. After replenishment, you will be credited with HEM. Only send HEM tokens to the wallet through this wallet address, and when you make your first deposit, you get an extra 20% bonus which you use to buy your character. And deposit first time greater than 20k HEM tokens, and you will given one level 1 character. So this is the QRL code, and this is the contract address that you use to send the deposit money, or that you use to send your deposit your HEM tokens in their side. So after this we discuss about their withdraw. When you want to withdraw from this, you just click on the withdraw. When you click on that withdraw, you will find out this page. This is the page like pancake swap. Here you can swap your HEM token with other tokens. So this is automated HEM token withdrawal system using BP20 mainnet. Note that only withdraw to BP20 wallet address. If wrong, it will be lost. So this is very amazing site where you can play your game, and you can earn your HEM tokens, and you can also withdraw your HEM token by using this method. So we discuss how we can deposit and how we can withdraw our HEM tokens from their site. So if you want to exchange, you just click on the exchange. So after some loading, you will find out this page. There you can exchange your HEM tokens with other character things, like in the exchange office you can exchange from balance to purchase a balance. When exchanging, you get a 20% bonus on your purchase balance. So this is their exchange place. You just click, you just write your amount of HEM token that you want to exchange, and you will find out the exact amount of other token that you will receive after plus 20% bonus. So if you want to exchange, just click on the exchange, then it will be automatically exchanged to others. So this is very simple way. Here you can check out your referral, your airdrop, your account setting, and how you can log out from their site, and your NFT market, collect profit, meet and trading market, and dual play. So you can also check each and everything on daily basis, and you can also generate your referral profit by sending their your referral link to your friends and family members. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.